everyone. So for this video, I will be showing you how to fill out the income statement and retained earnings and the balance sheet found in questions 11 and 12 and 13. And much like we did last week with our presentators then, and in the income statement, we will be combining our revenues and expenses. Ignore that, I don't know why they did that. and make sure that we are also hitting for the correct time frame as well. So for the income statement and retained earnings, it will be for month of, while the balance sheet will be for a specific day. So first we will be calculating our revenues, and as there's only one, it will be consulting, which is 26890. Next will be our expenses. In this one we have 4 expenses, so make sure you get each one. And they will be rent, salaries, telephone, and miscellaneous. So let me just type in those numbers real fast. And also make sure you have it for net income on the bottom. And it's very important that you do not forget to fill in that option. And so to get our net income, we will be subtracting revenues and expenses. Let me get my calculator out. So our total is going to be 10,900. At least for mine. Make sure you're paying attention to whatever numbers you have up here, because you'll most likely have different numbers but same categories. Okay, so for retained earnings, we will be, once again, we are looking at for the month of, and we are wanting to add the net income, which from our previous area was 10,900, and let's also add in a 0 for our balance retained earnings as of December 1st, which is explained right here. And next would be our dividends, and we are doing less of that. For mine, it is going to be 5850. And now we have our retained earnings as of December 31st. And now we have come to the balance sheet, and here we will be doing it as of December 31st, because we are going for a single point in time, not a time frame. We'll be looking for our assets, our liabilities, and our equity. And our assets will be our cash, accounts receivable, office supplies and equipment, and our land. Liabilities, it looks like we only have one, which is the accounts payable, so that makes that easy. And then for equity, we have our common stock and then our retained earnings. And we want to also have total assets at the bottom. And then over here is a combination of liabilities and equity. So let me just punch in these numbers real fast. Why did I not have land in there? Nope. Then our retained earnings, we found that in the previous question, and that was also the combination of everything on the left-hand side of our information, not right-hand side of our information up here. And if we had calculated everything correctly, total assets should equal our total liabilities and equity. And that is how you fill out the income, retained earnings, and balance sheets. So, hope everyone understood that, and have a good day.